Does powdered laundry detergent expire? It actually doesn't expire. You might see a date on the back of the packaging, but that's just the manufacturer's date. When kept in a cool, dry space with the lid on, you can keep it for years to come. Hi, I'm Julia from Nellie's. Let's chat laundry. Can laundry soda be used on its own or as an addition to laundry detergent? Laundry soda is actually a detergent all on its own, but if you're looking to boost your laundry, Oxygen Brightener is what you want to pick. Where do I put powdered detergent in the washing machine? If you have an HE machine, we recommend putting your powder directly into the drum with your clothes. The dispensers are designed for liquid detergents, so if you put a powder in there, you risk residue because it likely won't dissolve. How many scoops of laundry soda for a big load? Well, this is roughly 6 pounds, a medium load. All you need is 1 scoop. If you have a larger load, you can adjust as needed, but you'll never need more than 2 scoops. Can I use laundry soda if I have hard water? Yes, you can. Nellie's laundry soda has a small amount of water softener added directly in. If you live in an area with hard water, you may need to get an additional water softening agent. Is laundry soda septic safe? Yes, all of Nellie's laundry products are septic safe. Is Oxygen Brightener used with laundry soda? And can I use it in my HE washing machine? Yes to both. Laundry soda and Oxygen Brightener can go into HE washing machines, and Oxygen Brightener is an additive to your laundry soda, so you can use 1 to 3 scoops in each load. Can Oxygen Brightener be used on colors? Yes. Nellie's Oxygen Brightener is color safe. There's no harsh chemicals or bleach, so it's safe to use on whites, colors, and darks. It also dissolves in hot or cold water. Can I use laundry soda to wash silk, wool, cashmere, and other delicate fabrics? Yes, you can. Nellie's laundry soda is hypoallergenic and gentle on all fabrics, but be sure to double check those washing instructions on your garment. Can I use bleach with laundry soda? All of our products are biodegradable and planet friendly. Bleach can be harmful to the environment and your clothes, so we don't recommend it. But if you're looking to naturally brighten your whites, use Oxygen Brightener. How many wool dryer balls should I use? Actually, more the better. You can use all 4. It will reduce your drying time, save you on wrinkles, and your electric bill. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning. If you have any other questions, be sure to visit our website.